going to show you a workaround for when Logisim does not work on your Mac. And so when you go to the Logisim site to check out the product, you will see a download link about halfway down, and when you click on it, it will take you to, let's see, where will it take you? It will take you to the Logisim Source Forge net page. Alright, so when you get to the page, just click on download and it will download, and then when you go through the process on your Mac, you will end up with a zipped file, and then when you click on it, when you double click on it to install it, you'll end up with an application. But you may end up with an error that says something about the Java not working. So the workaround for that is to find the application, right click, show package contents, and then go down to resources, click on Java if it's not already open, and go to the logisim.jar file. Once you get to this file, double click, and the simulation will open. And it's a workaround. It's not perfect, but if you do that, then you can use the simulation. You can create your logic gates and stuff. Now the other problem with this though is that when you do that, when you close it, it doesn't always quit, and so you got to pay attention to what's going on your Mac, because you may end up with the file still running. So what you may have to do is you may actually have to go to force quit to stop it from working. So this is just a workaround. I think you may have to do it if you have one of the newer Macs. You can try installing Java or reinstalling Java if you want to see if it works, but I think that the problem is this file right here. It just doesn't like this file. So basically what you're doing is just skipping this file and just going straight to the Java application, and that's how you do it. Good luck. Thanks. Bye bye.